So today we're looking at the latest Disney Treasures box, and this is a bi-monthly subscription service that sends you Funko Pops that are related to Disney. And I'll have a link down in the description section if you want to check it out. And let's see what I got this month. Okay. So we have a cute little Olaf pin. That's really cute. And then we have a patch with Scrooge, and it's a Christmas Carol Scrooge, which is fun. The first thing is some Nightmare Before Christmas socks. That's fun. Then we have a little thermos. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we have a little thermos and it has Mickey and Minnie on it, which is super cute. And have this tin here. It's really cute. Christmas tin. And inside, you have Belle in her winter coat. That's cute. And the last thing is this really cool Bambi Funko Pop. It is Bambi on the ice, and they actually have the ice for him to stand on. That's so cute. It's adorable. And these are just, all these items are just exclusive. You can only get them if you get this box. So that's kind of fun. So there you go. That is this box. Let me know what you think. And I'll try to do another video sometime soon with showing all of the Funko Pops that I got for Christmas. And that'll be really fun. So thanks so much. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later. Bye.